Welcome back, Central Texas. Today is a weather impact alert day. We'll have more details into why that is. We see that cold front boundary. Look at where it's at. It's just on top of us. We see it impacting our friends over the DFW Metroplex, and temperature-wise, behind that, we're seeing 60s on the board, if not 50s, well up for our friends in Amarillo. Like I mentioned, rest of us in the central and south part of the Lone Star State, we're still waiting on that boundary to come into the forecast. So until then, things will remain pretty warm and muggy, but change is on the way. Look at how we'll see cloudy conditions really for the majority of our day. Temperatures breaking to about the low 80s into this afternoon. Winds, they'll be shifting out of the north. We'll see that front really settling in. As we get into the rest of our afternoon hours, it's likely those temperatures really start to muddle between about 80, 85 as that front and increased cloud coverage is going to struggle to break those temperatures to be quite on the warm side. But nonetheless, we have a chance of a few sunshine trying to break into our afternoon high temperatures. Many of us in the mid 80s, some of us really hanging along the upper 70s. Once again, that's because of that increased cloud coverage that'll be across the region for us later on into this afternoon. We see that cold front boundary. Look at how it really settles in. This is the reason why we had that weather impact alert through 3 p.m. because I really think we get a little bit more active into the later half of our morning and into the early parts of our afternoon hours. We'll still see widely scattered showers still popping up on the board here for us near about lunchtime, but heading into this evening, conditions will dry out, conditions will calm down, winds will be out of the north to allow us to be a little bit cooler into tomorrow. Rain tracker, we see conditions are down a little bit because we see rain chances, storm chances are down as well. Still, many of us may receive anywhere closer to about a quarter to half an inch of rain for many areas, and most of this rain is going to fall today. Behind today, conditions will remain really dry and quiet. Taking a look at the tropics, not in the Gulf, but we are watching two areas of development that the National Hurricane Center is watching. We have Humberto and Imelda, both at very high chances of some systems to become available on the board here for us in the Atlantic. Like I mentioned, these would be the next two named storms on the board here for us. And the reason why this is interesting to pay attention to today is because our same cold front that we're getting today, this is what's going to help to filter and be the determining factor as to where those systems go. We see that our cold front, it shifts as a stationary boundary as we get into the weekend, and look at how it's going to try to help and push a lot of that moisture away from the East Coast. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Not anticipating any local effects here locally in Texas, but we could see some conditions along the East Coast as our friends may be preparing for that system. We are still watching Category 3 Hurricane Gabrielle still in the Atlantic. That's not going to be a concern for us either. It's going to continue to fizzle out in the Atlantic in the next coming days. Bringing things back here in Central Texas, what we are watching for is that cold front to pull in those rain and showers and storms. Lightning is going to be possible. Strong winds going to be possible. So as you're heading out the door, go ahead and put the decor away that's outside. You don't want your stuff rolling into the neighbor's yard into the later parts of today into the afternoon. We see mid 80s on the board, but look at all that sunshine on the way behind this front. We break into the upper 80s as we get into the weekend. So gorgeous weather is ahead behind this cold front. Just have to get through today's storm chances. That is allowing us to have that weather impact alert on the forecast. So make sure you have our app downloaded to stay tuned with us from 7 to 9 a.m.